just said. I'm Rhonda, hear me roar. Roar! Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Got a little bit of a congestion going on, but I'm doing all right other than that. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. We are less than 10 people away from getting to the 1,700 subscriber mark, which is very exciting, which means a big giveaway, including some Pat McGrath and some other delightful things falling from my desk. My desk is chaos. Chaos and confusion with makeup and skincare. Anyway, today I'm doing a get ready with me. I've got my base on. I've got my powder on. I've got my brows on. The most boring things to watch ever. But I've got them on. And we're going to be doing a look with the Jaclyn Hill Strawberry Feels palette, which I love, and it goes great with my hair. Yes, it does. It looks super good on my complexion. I'm not much of a Jaclyn Hill kind of gal, but for some reason, this palette, I tried it out, and I was like, I kept going back to it. So I'm going to keep going back to it. It's good stuff. Not everything she's done has been good or without controversy, but this, pretty all right. So tonight, I'm always going somewhere because I have a life. Not saying that you don't have a life, but I'm trying to always go somewhere and do something. And tonight, I am going to see a concert of an 80s band called The English Beat. And they did a song called Save It For Later. Da, 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 da. Save it for later. It's really good. I can't remember all the words, but that's why I'm going to the show, so I can hear them sing it themselves, which is very cool. Let's get to putting some stuff on my face. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Since it's get ready with me instead. It's a chatty get ready with me. Chitty chatty. Yickety yackety. And I'm using the Cover FX bronzer in Sun-Kissed Bronze. And this show is going to be filled with people my age and older who remember this band, English Beat. And so I want to look good for my peers. And I know I'm going to see at least 3 people I know that I'm planning on seeing there. So that'll be nice. A little bit of old home week. We're going to take the palette called Just a Girl from Trixie Cosmetics and use that for my blush today. I love this palette and I am wearing it out because I love it. I love it so much. Woohoo! Pigmented. What's her name? That is a lot of fucking blush. That's way more blush than I normally wear. We're gonna try to fix this. Oh my Lord. What is my name? Blushy pardon. It's okay to have some color, but I'm taking off everything with this. Let me get that foundation brush. A little touch up there. A little chiseling down here. That's nice and cheerful, but not nearly as whorish. That was whorish. Whorish. That's a nice rosy glow, which we do like. And I'm going to put some highlighter on from my Pat McGrath palette, which is called Divine Blush Glow Trio Galactic Sun. There's a highlighter that I use quite a bit. That's a nice glow. That's a nice glow, girl. You glow, girl. That's nice. That'll look great. I'm sure we'll be all awash in, you know, the show colors. It's in a smaller music hall, and it's standing room only, but there's a place for the handicapped to sit, and that is me. And so I'm going to get there super early to get me a seat, because old Granny Rhonda cannot be standing up for 3 hours or 2 hours or however long it is. I can't stand up for that long because I've got knee problems. My right knee is bone on bone. My back has degenerative disc disease, spinal stenosis, arthritis, all kinds of stuff. I just got an epidural earlier this week to help with that. I'm going to start with shortcake in my crease. Oh, it's so pretty. It didn't look as pink as it is on the eye. It looks super pink. But I'm liking it because it goes well with my hair. I did this on purpose. So anyway, the epidural went well. That was yesterday. So I'm excited about that. That's so pretty. This palette is just dynamite. Like I said, I'm not a Jaclyn Hill fan, but this palette, I got it just to try, and I just love it. So now I'm gonna go into Picnic Pie. Put that also in the crease and a little on the outside corner. Oh, my tummy's grumbling. I'm going to make an Instapot meal for the first time. We've had an Instapot for a long time. My husband does a lot of the cooking. Okay, most of the cooking. And tonight I've got a recipe from my friend Terry, who is awesome. And it's for green chili chicken, and it's like you saute some chicken in the Instapot, you add a can of green chilies, like drained green chilies, a 4-ounce can. Then you add a block of cream cheese, and then you add, there's a like cumin and salt and pepper and some cayenne pepper flakes or some kind of adobo or some kind of pepper flakes. I know adobo is not peppers. And you mix this all together, and you, after the chicken is cooked, you mix it all together with all the spices, and I think a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. And then you let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, and everything comes into a beautiful creamy consistency. Then you take some forks and pull the chicken apart, and then you have delicious meal. So there's my recipe. I don't do a lot of recipe cooking, but this really sounded like a recipe that I could do. Now I'm going into all the feels. Oh yeah. That is so pretty. It's magenta-y pink. I'm blending it in. That's so pretty. Let me get my blending brush. And I have hooded eyes, so this is technically a hooded eyes tutorial. And I'm going to go into Fresh Picked, and it's already got a little bit of picnic pie on here. I'm just going to put that on the lid. And Fresh Pick is a shimmery red. And I'm putting that on the lid. About 3/4 way over. That looks so cool. It looks so cool. Now I'm going to take my finger and go into Sugar Coated, which is a champagne-y shimmer. Then I'm going to blend that in to Fresh Picked. And that makes it look super pretty. I love a shimmer in my finger all the time. If you've seen me do this once, you've seen me do it more than once. I think I'm gonna get another tissue. I'm gonna go back in with some more of the Fresh Picked. Just freshen it up on the outside corner there. Now I'm going to get a little flat brush and go into Berry Whipped, which is the darkest color, and smoke it out just a little bit. That looks so pretty. And this really gives the eye some depth. I'm just going to carry it into the crease. This looks amazing. I'm so happy with this. Now I'm going to take an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner, and this is Stila's Stay All Day Dual-Ended Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. One side is fat and one side is thin. Let's see which one is which. This is the thinnest part, so I will use this. And I love Stila's formula. This is such a delicate line. I am loving it. I wish I was better at false eyelashes, because I would totally wear some tonight. But even magnetic ones, I'm not that great at. And plus my video would end up being like an hour long or something, with me trying to get everything just right. This fine line is just amazing. It's so accurate. Oh, so sweet. I'm loving this eyeliner. I should have shook it up. But alas, I did not. Oh, my nose is running. And then for my mascara, I'm going to use the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. I feel so pretty. And this is great. I got this from the Boxy Charm pop-up sale. I first heard about it from Teresa's Dead. I'm not much on tubing mascara, but this one works really well. And you can really get some great length and volume. And that's just phenomenal. I know I'm not able to zoom in for you, but it really has a lot of payoff. So, my good old gal pal Sally's gonna meet me at the club tonight. And I'm gonna dance just a little bit. I'm getting a knee injection tomorrow. This is injection week for me. Getting cortisone in my knee tomorrow. Got epidural in my back yesterday. I'm at least taking care of myself, you know. I feel sassy. I feel sassy and classy. And for my lip, I'm going to go dark. I'm going to go to number 50 Voyager from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink, because it'll look great with the dark part of my hair. Nice Cupid bow. Oops. Overdrawn like a bank account. Overdrawn my lips. I think it looks good. It's kind of heart-shaped. So there we have it. A dramatic evening look, ready for the town. Gonna blow up my lips. Thanks for being with me here. I hope you've had a good time chatting with me. If you made it to the end, put a crayon down below so I know that you have seen everything. Have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.